So, to make
can
it
buy
clear,
their own.
under the current Brown Acts, the ambulance has not been affected, Station 16 has not been affected by the brownouts for the ambulances. And it was only a proposed plan that would have affected it, and it's not been implemented. Now, the reason, and I explained it at the March, is that during negotiation, those are closed session items. No one is allowed in there but the union representatives and management from fire department. So how that is coming out and how that is even to council, I'm not even sure how that is, because I'm sure once that gets sunshine and we know what's gonna go on and we know what's the plan, like any other issue that affects our community, we would come out here then and discuss that and see what the effects would be. But this is coming out sooner rather than, there's still negotiation. We don't know what's gonna come out. We don't know what's gonna come out of those negotiations. And once they do, the council adopts that. And certainly before we would adopt that, I would come out here and discuss it with the community.
Now, what's